What's up, Flomies? My name is Ellie, and today we're going to be learning the 3-beat vertical 8. This is a good variation of a 2-beat hand pass-off, except we're throwing in one more beat on the side of the body. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's get into it. So some prerequisites that you're going to want to know for this move are a reverse vertical 8 and a vertical 8 pass off. Now instead of having your hand palm facing out like you would in the 2-beat weave, you're going to have your hand in a penguin catch formation on the outside of your body. And you're going to be releasing the star on the other side of your body. So go ahead and start your 2-beat weave. And when you get to this position where you would typically hand off the star, just go ahead and give the star a toss. Just get used to that. Know where the star is, know where it's going to land, and then you can throw in the catch. So penguin catch, palm facing out, catch. Just get used to that. Understand what the star is, understand where to catch it. Should be catching the star on the south end of the star. Once you feel comfortable with that, go ahead and continue the reverse vertical 8, and you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So to help you get an idea of when you should be releasing the star, go ahead and do the count that I was doing in the beginning of the video. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that, my friends, is the 3-beat vertical 8. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!